Tony?
as you can see.
How's it going, Tony?
Real good at that. Now, we want to hear your skin, okay? Those hands, we want to hear them, okay? We're going to clap. Can you keep a beat? Here we go now. All right, perfect. Yeah. We're not doing a TV show or something. All right, then, pick it up. This works real good for dedication, so pick out somebody special.
They're one of the lowest paying franchises what their overall payment is on the salaries on their team, and they're good every year. Hard to keep up with the Dodgers.